Hi, this is Thambidorai from EC department, SysTech. Today I am going to discuss about CRO. CRO means cathode ray oscilloscope. The CRO stands for a cathode ray oscilloscope. Uh, it is divided into four sections, which are display, vertical controllers, horizontal controllers, and triggers. Most of the oscilloscopes are used the probes and they are used for the input of any instrument. The application of CRO are mainly involved in the radio, TV receivers, also in laboratory working involving research and design. It is used for display purpose. We can display the waveforms like sine wave, square wave, rectangular waves. Then what is CRO? So CRO means we know CRO means cathode ray oscilloscope is an electronic test instrument. It is used to obtain waveforms when the different input signals are given. In earlier days, it is called as an oscillograph. We can analyze some properties like amplitude, frequency, rise time, distortion, time interval, and etc. So in CRO, mainly we can measure the amplitude and time period for waveforms. Next, black diagram of CRO. The following black diagram shows the general purpose of CRO. The CRO means the cathode ray oscilloscope. In cathode ray oscilloscope, the cathode ray tube and act as a heat of the oscilloscope. In an oscilloscope, the CRT produces the electron beam, which is accelerated to a high velocity and brings to the focal point on a fluorescent screen. So this is the black diagram of CRO. Here we can, it is an input signal. Here vertical amplifier, delay line, trigger circuit, time-based generator, horizontal amplifier, and this is the CRT. Here the delay line is used to synchronize the vertical amplifier and horizontal amplifier. So this delay line creates some delay due to synchronize the vertical amplifier and horizontal amplifier. The time-based generator is used to produce the sawtooth waveform. Here using the high voltage and low voltage. In CRT, the electron gun is there. It can produce the electron beam. The electron beam, it can flow towards the screen, and here the deflection plate is there. The deflection plates are used to vertical deflection and horizontal deflection. Then only the beam should be focused on the electron beam. Finally, they display the waveforms. It should be in horizontal waveform or vertical waveform. We can use different types of waveforms: sine wave, square wave, uh, triangular wave. Next, working principle. The CRO working principle depends on the electron ray movement because of the electrostatic force. Once the electron ray hits a phosphor phase, then it makes a bright spot on it. A cathode ray oscilloscope applies the electrostatic energy on the electron ray from two vertical plates. The spot on the phosphor monitor turns due to the effect of these two electrostatic force, which are mutually perpendicular. It moves to make the necessary waveform of the input signal. Applications of CRO. This device used to check the AM and FM circuits characteristic. The CROs are used in huge applications like radio stations for observing the transmitting and receiving the properties of the signal. The CRO is used to measure the voltage, current, frequency, inductance, admittance, resistance, and power factor. It is used in TV, radar, and analysis of engine pressure. Advantages of CRO. It is cost and timeline, training requirements, consistency and quality, time efficiency, expertise and experience, capacity for problem solving. Next, disadvantages of CRO. These oscilloscopes are expensive as compared with other measuring devices like multimeters. They are complicated to repair once it gets damaged. This device need complete isolation. These are huge, heavy, and use more power. Uses of CRO. In the laboratory, the CRO can be used as it can display different types of waveforms. It can measure the short in time interval. In voltmeter, it can measure the potential difference. Thank you.